Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sana and today I have for you pancakes with fresh farmer's cheese. I have here 250 grams of fresh farmer's cheese, 60 grams of flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna sweeten them up with stevia, 1 tablespoon of that, and some lemon zest. In a bowl, I'm gonna add the cheese, a pinch of salt to give more taste, vanilla extract, of course. I'm gonna add stevia. Is my choice to sweeten them with stevia. You can use sugar if that's what you prefer. I will add flour. And I'm gonna need more flour to dust the surface on which I'm gonna form these, but that's later. I will add the egg here. Some lemon zest is gonna be a nice addition to this dough. It's gonna give really nice flavor. Mix all together and this is the dough. Now sprinkle some flour on your working surface, because the dough is pretty sticky, and dump the dough on top of that flour. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough as well and form a roll. Try not to put your fingers too much in the dough, just gently work with it and roll it around in that flour until you form a roll. Split the dough in 6 equal parts. Shape each pancake using more flour. I'm just gonna flatten them up, and because I want all of them to look almost the same, I'm gonna use this circle cookie cutter and just shape the dough with it. Just roll it around and flatten the dough. Because we don't want these pancakes to be too tall, we want them to cook all at once and have the same height. So this is what I'm doing with all of them. Flatten them and move that cookie cutter around. They will look all the same. Heat up a pan. Now, a non-stick pan. I added a tiny bit of butter, and because I don't want this to burn, I will add a bit of sunflower oil, like a tablespoon of sunflower oil. I'm gonna add the pancakes in this and fry them a few minutes on each side until they have nice golden color and they are cooked all the way through. This is why we don't want to make them too tall. Like 1 finger tall, they are just perfect. You can take them out of the pan and place them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Serve them warm or cold with butter, syrup, and fresh fruits. I serve them only with strawberries and a cube of butter. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're gonna try them up. They're really good and simple to prepare. They are rich in proteins and they're gonna keep us full longer. Have a nice day and don't forget to find reasons to smile. Bye!